Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Vidate as Assistant Professor KK of Horticulture Nashik. Today we learn about the breeding of brinjal. In breeding of brinjal, we discuss one by one. First, that is content. We discuss the content which we discussed today. That is introduction and basic information of crop. Second, floral biology. Third, selfing and crossing techniques. Then fourth, breeding objective. Okay. Then first introduction of the brinjal crop. See the brinjal fruit with their plants and purple white colors flowers of brinjal. Next one we discuss that is brinjal. Scientifically brinjal content, that is first common name brinjal is also known as eggplant arbugarine. Botanical name Solanum melongena. Family Solanaceae. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 24. Mode of pollination self pollination, and after that is cross pollination, that is below 5%. Next, brinjal is one of the most common principal vegetable in most part of the world. In its natural habits, it is a perennial plant but cultivated as annual and erect bushy plants with compact and well-branched stem and deep root system. The brinjal is of much importance in the warm areas of for east, being grown extensively in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, China and the Philippines countries. It is also popular in Egypt, France, Italy and United States. Then origin of brinjal, according to the Decandole, it is origin native at India, and according to the Yane Havila, the eggplant originated at Indo-Burma region. The more than 60 species of brinjal are found to grow wide in various parts of country. Then distribution of brinjal. Brinjal is cultivated in most parts of the world. Leading countries are USA, China, India, France, Bangladesh and Philippines. Then Solanum is very large genus. Among the 22 Indian species, there is a group of 5 related ones. All are picklings and diploid with 2n is equal to 24, which are following, that is Solanum melongena, Solanum coagulans, Solanum xanthocarpus, Solanum mccanni, Solanum indicum. These are the species of the brinjal. Then flower biology of brinjal, that is inflorescence is solitary or cluster of 2 to 3 flowers. These are the inflorescence. See the image photo, the inflorescence with 2 to 5 flowers. Then flower are actinomorphic, hypogynous, heteromorphic with pistil surrounded by the stamens, white or pinkish in color depending on the cultivars. There are 4 types of flower depending on the length of the style and size of the ori. First, long style with big size ori, medium style with medium style ori, pseudo short style with rudimentary ori, true short style with very rudimentary ori. Means maximum fruit setting are occur in a long style with big size ori. Other these are the as compared to the other style flower. Next, see the diagram, flora diagram of the flower brinjal. The Owls, ori, sepals, anthers, style, pores, stigments, petals. Then calyx, 5 gametosepals, light green in color, are persistence. That is, see the image. The green colors are the calyx, 5 calyx. It forms a cup-like structure at the base. It forms a cup-like structure at the base of the corolla. Then corolla, 5 gametopetals, purple or whitish in color. Lobes are in short. These are the, see the purple color is a corolla, the yellow color is a anther. Then androecium, stamens are 5 erect, large anthers, small filaments are attached at the base of petals. Stamens surrounding the pistils and anther, dehiscence is longitudinally. See the yellow color at the base of the calyx and corolla. See the yellow color is a androecium. Then gynoecium, capital stigma is found either above or on the same level of or below the stamens. Ovary is bicolor with many ovals, hypogynous, bicarpillary syncarpus, and with the basal placementation. Then floral formula and diagram of brinjal. See the image. Then anthesis and pollination. Flower generally emerge 40 to 45 days after transplanting. Anthesis occur at about 6 to 8 am in August-September month. Peak flower opening at 8:30 am to 10:30 am. Essentially a self-pollinated crop and stamens surrounding the pistil and stamen. Dehiscence at the same the stigma is receptive. Cell pollination is vary between 80 to 92%. Pollen viability is retained for 8 to 10 days and 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 50 to 55%. Then selfing technique, bagging of young birds, manually transfer of freshly collected pollen on stigma of the flower of the same plant. And then crossing technique include hand emasculation, pollen collection, artificially pollen collection or pollen dusting or pollination. For emasculation, a healthy long or medium style well developed bud from the central portion of the plant is selected. The bud is opened gently with the help of fine pointed forceps 1 or 2 days before the opening of the bud, and all the five anthers are carefully removed from the selected flower. For pollination, freshly dehiscent anthers and picked up and sealed vertically with fine needed to get sufficient pollen flower buds. It is labeled and covered with small pollination bag. Then next important point, that is breeding objective. The main objective are to evolve hybrids that have following traits, that is first high yield, earliness, fruit shape, size, color as per the consumer's preference, low proportion of seed and more pulp, soft flesh, low solanine content, upright, sturdy, plants free for lodging. These are the important breeding objective for development of new hybrid varieties. Then give flower and fruiting at very high low temperatures. High or low temperature does not affect the flower setting. Then having straight growth habit, good attractive in color of fruit, less fruit thickness, then resistant to bacterial wilt, phomosis blight, little leaf, root knot nematode, shoot and fruit borer, and also to frost. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Thank you.